Baby, you should know by now that I'm right for you.
Hey guys, what's up? This is Al. I have an unboxing video for you today. And the thing about this video is that I don't know what's in this box. So I get this box from Myntra. I shop from them a lot. But this one time, it's not something I placed an order for. So I'm going to rip it open now and figure out what's in there. Feels like a sneaker box. Aha! Ta-da! Nike. So the thing is, I don't know what's in the box. So you guys are going to be discovering this along with me. Shall we open it? Let's get rid of the knife there. Okay. I'm not opened this yet, and I haven't looked at the label. So let's go. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Oh, damn it. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Oh my goodness! The Nike Internationalist. Damn! I've had my eye on this pair for the longest time. Gosh! Hey, look at that! Let me get closer for you guys and focus a bit. A nice mustard colored Nike Internationalist. I'm not sure if you can see that bit. There you go. Internationalist. Size 8 UK. I love this. I mean, this is a proper retro jogger kind of a design. Waffle sole. Let's see how it looks on feet. So it turns out Shell knew I was looking for these sneakers, so she ordered them for me. Thanks, girl.